আছিল। এতিয়া সন্মানীয় মুখ্য অতিথি মহোদয়ে ৮০সংখ্যক স্বাধীনতা দিৱসৰ পতাকা আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে উত্তোলন কৰিব। Platoon Commander WSI Bonasmita Gogoi. Assam Civil Defense Platoon Commander Dhrubojuti Deuri. Platoon number 5 North Lakhimpur University Platoon Commander Surti Kanika Tae. Platoon number 6 Lakhimpur Girls College Autonomous Platoon Commander Jimli Hajorika. Platoon number 7 Nauboisa College Platoon Commander Fotik Norong. Platoon number 8 Lakhimpur Telahi Komolaboria College Platoon Commander Asmi Dale. Platoon number 9 OPT College Platoon Commander Poriklata Nolong. Among Hotbuhot Platoon number 10 PM Srigoff Boy Higher Secondary School Platoon Commander Nadim Hussein. Platoon number 11 Genius Academy Platoon Commander Dimpa Pae. Platoon number 12 Panito Vidyaloy Platoon Commander Metok Pegu. Eya amar Hotbuhot Platoon number 13 St. Mary's High School Platoon Commander Lakshmipia Dhurali. Platoon number 14 Sarveswar Borua Uttar Lakhimpur Hindi Vidyaloy Platoon Commander Manish Kumar. Platoon number 15 North Lakhimpur Girls Higher Secondary School Platoon Commander Monica Kaman. Platoon number 16 Kendriya Vidyalaya Platoon Commander Midu Pomon Deka. Platoon number 17 Sangam Academy Platoon Commander Sarwana Handikoi. 18, North Lakhimpur Town High School, Platoon Commander Monpreet Kaur. Platoon number 19, PNGB High School, Platoon Commander Nitu Moni Hajong. Platoon number 20, Lakhimpur Academy School, Platoon Commander Umananda Rajkuar. এয়া আমাৰ সন্মুখলৈ আহি আছে অতিকৈ আকৰ্ষণীয় প্লাটুন নম্বৰ 21 এণ্ড প্লাটুন 30